This Victorian sponge cake is one of those classic cake making you should know by heart. It always tastes better than the one you can buy from the supermarket, and very easy to make. Let the oven get hot while making the batter. In this recipe I'm using a mixing machine, but you can get the same result with a hand mixer. First thing, measure the butter, sugar, and cream it for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, crack the eggs and whisk them with some vanilla flavor. Before you add the egg into the batter, check if all the sugar incorporated. If not, let it mix until smooth. Another tip is to remember that make sure egg mixture is at the room temperature, around 21 to 23 degrees. If not, it may split. When you add the egg into the batter, make sure not to rush, just add bit by bit. Next step is to add flour. Make sure to do this by hand, otherwise it will be overmixed and the cake will be very tough. I'm going to use this small square tray as it is perfect for this recipe. Using baking paper makes it easy to take out if you oil it properly, or you can use spray. As you can see, the cake mixture is nicely fitting in this tin, and I still have plenty of space for the cake to rise. Now put it in the preheated oven, and in 15 minutes it will be ready. After taking out, make sure to check it if it is perfectly cooked. In a fan assisted oven, it is usually faster than a standard oven. After cool down, simply take out from the tin . In this recipe I'm using raspberry jam, and it makes it taste so good. Last but not least, dust with some icing sugar and it will look just like this. Trust me, it is so good that if you make a small portion, it will just fly. So thank you guys for watching. If you're going to make this recipe, or if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Trust me, I will always respond. The cake is ready! Ta-da!